welcome back to the Life of the MWs. If you're new to our channel, make sure you consider subscribing to keep updated with our latest videos, and make sure you give us a big thumbs up and ring that bell. It's right down there. Today I'm going to do a new sort of series thing, and what I'm going to be doing is reaction videos. So it's going to be really exciting, and today I'm going to be doing a funny cat and dog compilation. Is that what it's called? I think so, but without further ado, let's get on with the video.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Okay guys, so we're gonna watch them together. Let's go. Oh my. That scared me. Wait. Watch it again. That's... Okay, that didn't scare me that much that time, but that was quite amusing. Let's go. Okay. Little bit weird. Oh, she's so cute. She's feisty.
What you doing? Wanna go down? Can you go downstairs?
Oh. Where's it going?
Hey!
Oh! That would have hurt so bad. But kind of fun at the same time.
Hey!
It looks upside down. What's it going? Is it on the stove? That's a tiny head. Wow, that's yummy eyes. That he's like, you know those like things like where they like squish down and then like propel, like it looks like that. It was like ding! What was that face? Anyway. Oh. That looked so gracious. What? It's like it was levitating up. It's like, I'm gonna fly. Oh, like, wait, let's finish and see like if it still looks like it's flying. Oh, I think it was in slow motion. I'm pretty city girl. Oh. That looks like my brother. Sort of. Whoa! The part that I stopped at though. Like the teeth. It's like you know when you like pause something and like if you pause something and then like it's paused on like that really bad part of your face. Yeah, that. Yeah. It looks like an evil master. Hey y'all. No, I'm kidding. Sorry, that was really rude. It looks like an evil mastermind, like trying to kidnap like a Disney character. But still cute. I want to do that. Please, I want to do that so bad. But first of all, I don't have stairs. Second of all, I'm too big to go in the washing machine basket. Yeah, that. Yeah, you know what I'm talking. You know what I'm talking about. I love how like when it jumps and when it gets back down, it like barks. So like when it jumps and it goes back down, it's like there's a button to bark. So it's like. Sorry, that's kind of cute though. Whoa. Whoa, that's a lot of jumping. That's like when you're at an athletics carnival and like, you know, the long jump, it's like you're trying to get the long jump and you're like, and then you're about to slip, but then you like land it. You're like here, watch. Ah, it's done. Okay, don't watch. Well, watch this video, but yeah. Whoa. Oh, that's cute. Oh. Oh. Does the big dog have his foot on the little dog? Oh, that's sad. That's not funny. Is it? Oh, he just can't get through. Oh, I thought like the dog was like, you cannot leave. Oh, that's so cute though.
Oh no, listen, as a friend.
You know I can't take this.
Yes, I do.
Wait.
Enough.
That's when you're at a family dinner table and like everyone's really quiet and you just want to make noise. You're like you eat something like really loud, and then you get told that not to eat loudly. So anyway. I really hope those dogs don't jump out because that would be so sad and scary. Well, not like, yeah, because that looks so deep. That's like the ocean. Well, obviously, Imogen. But like, that looks so deep.
His way through the for gain of 3. Up to the 18-yard line, only second down and 7.
It's like hush hush. It's like you're trying to slide down, like, you know, like when you're on the slide and it's like not working and you're like trying to slide down it, so you're like that's literally trying to slide down slide. What the heck is going on? What? Did he get stuck in a hole?
Jump! Jump!
That's like my auntie's dog when he finds a fish. He's like, he's like trying to like get it, and then like he doesn't bother eating it. that's cute though. Oh,
You did it!
what is that noise? Sounds like something from a horror film.
Çok iyiydi ya.
Yummy beer.
Give me the beer. It's mine.
It's like it looks like it's sleeping. He's trying to look inside of it, but there's nothing inside. Oh, the floor is lava, they said. Is it just me, or am I just like trying to listen to the music and hear what music it is? No, just me. Okay. Hold up. That's not a dog, is it? Or a cat? That looks like a sloth mixed with a wombat. It is a cat. Oh, I'm very sorry. Oh, teamwork.
And come here.
On the last video, the big dog was like, "If you let go, I still have it." It's got a poo, buddy. Oh, must be so hot. The other dog's like, "Excuse me, can I have a turn?" Very rude to me. Can you get up, please? No way. Must taste good. It's like it's a toy. That's so cute though. The amount of times I've said that's so cute though is crazy. It's so cute though. That is so cute. It's like, I'll help you cross the road. What is that in the head? What is that? Oh, it's the cat. I thought the duck was like, had his hands, like, the duck's beaks like that, and like had his hands around the cat, and like, it's like, anyway, I don't know how I thought that, but okay.
Odin! Stop that!
All the dogs are just like, what did I do? I'm sorry. What did I do?
Dude!
Okay, I'll just go away. I'm trying to catch the air.
What else was she angry about?
Let's find out. What is that? Are you cleaning for Mom?
Eat me. That's literally my dogs when there's like a dog on the TV, they're like I feel like that's in every single Disney movie, but it's not a dog, it's a person. Well, sometimes it's a dog, but sometimes it's a person like looking out like, oh, I miss them so much. Every time he squeezes, he's like, it's like, it's like, I'm doing work. That's so It looks so sad though. It's like, where are my friends? What is going on?
A lot of smelling going on here.
I love these slow motion ones. It's like, this is the life.
Look at you. Oh, Momo. What is this?
He's trying to eat the air. That's so cute. What's he trying to do? Hashtag bring your dog to work day. And they can only be Labradors. This is the life. That's my dogs. You know when like there's like this thing like it makes that really noise, like really noise. It's like low and then it goes really high. That's my dogs when they hear it. They're like. Ah, this is a nice one. That's so much fun. That's so sweet. Ah, Tickle, I see you. I like the music. Oh, the dog's like, "Don't film me." I hope not. Don't film me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We really hope you enjoyed it. And make sure you consider subscribing to keep updated with our latest videos. And make sure you give us a big thumbs up and ring that bell. It's right down there. I'm so excited to make this a series, guys. Bye!